The Gravity Bowling Challenge is the final event, featuring the top 2 teams based on total points from the previous 5 challenges. This head-to-head showdown tests communication, coordination, and problem-solving, as teams work together to control speed, angles, and timing to reach the goal. The top 2 scoring teams from the earlier challenges advance to this final round. Each team competes head-to-head in a race to complete the challenge. If a team has only 9 players, they may recruit 1 additional person to fill the gap. The additional player may only serve as the ball handler and may not hold a pipe section. Here is the setup for each team. Each team will build a rolling lane using sections of half pipe. Every standard team member holds 1 pipe section and lines up to form a continuous downhill path. Each team is provided with 2 large balls for the challenge. Now for the rules of the game. To begin an attempt, the ball must be released from behind the marked start line. If a ball is released past the start line, any pins knocked down during that attempt do not count. Once released, players must adjust the angle of their pipe sections to guide the ball smoothly downhill and build momentum. If the ball is dropped or falls off at any point before reaching the end, it must be returned to the start and the attempt restarts. Here is an important item to note. The last player in line controls the final pipe section and aims the ball toward the bowling pins. Attempts and ball control. Teams may make unlimited attempts using their 2 balls. A player must leave the lineup to start the ball rolling at the back or top of the lineup, then return back to their place in the line. The objective is simple. Be the first team to knock down all of the bowling pins. Clear communication and coordination are essential. Adjust angles together, anticipate speed changes, and keep the ball moving smoothly from start to finish. Good luck, and let's see which team can conquer the Gravity Bowling Challenge.